Hi, I'm Marcel from Pyrodigital, and in this video I will explain you how you can set up the password protection on the FCA fee controller. To get to the menu to set up the password protection, make sure the fee controller is off. Then you impress Autofire and Data Table at the same time and keep it depressed. We now switch on the fee controller by pressing the power button. Okay, so now we got into the menu and it asks us if we want to do a factory reset. A factory reset would reset the complete field controller to its factory parameters. So if you ever want to make sure the complete device gets reset to its original factory settings, that's what you have to do. You would have to press here yes. In this case, we don't want to do this, so we press no. If you do it, don't wonder, it takes like about a minute for the to conduct the complete reset. So the second question it asks us is if we want to make a password protection. And we say in this case, yes, we want to activate this option. Now it asks us to input a password. It's 4 digits and you can actually use all buttons besides the operating mode buttons. Those are excluded. So I decide to use 00, arrow up, arrow down, and press enter. Now the device is booting and is checking its EEPROM like usually when it starts up. So this takes now a few seconds until we enter the stop mode. Now we are in stop mode, and I will show you now what the password protection actually protects. The password protection is not thought that you cannot use the device. It is only it's only there to protect that anyone can mess around with the script. They can change the script if he is not permitted it to do so. So if you set this up here in a fixed installation, like in a theme park or something, and you want your operators to operate with the device, but not to edit anything in the scripts, this is how you're gonna do it. So we go to Data Table, and now we want to edit, like we saw in previous videos, the script, and now it asks me for the password protection. So I type in 00, up, down, enter, and I'm granted to edit all the parameters. Let's go back and I try to enter edit again, and now I give it a wrong password, 0000. And now it tells me write permission denied. So I can proceed, I can look to the script table, but I cannot edit anything in here. As well protected is the function load. So it will also ask me for a password here, and as well the device setups. So let's see what happens if I put in the wrong password here. It just tells me again, write permission denied, I cannot enter this mode. If password protection is activated, you actually have one extra very handy option in the device setups. Say you have a theater and you have a really quiet scene, and you have to enable during that scene your fee controller and it beeps loud. That can be really annoying and can sometimes it would be better if the device would be quiet. Anyhow, the beeping is a really important safety feature. So we implemented this on request on some of our customers that you can switch off the beeping, but however, you only can do so if you have the password protection activated and you input the password correctly, and then you go to this option and by will disable this option. So we'll do this now. We go to the device options. We put in our password 00, up, down, and the access is granted. And now if we go to the safety settings, we press number 1 for that. Now we have an extra option here called buzzer off. We decide to, we select that, and now it tells us press 1 to disable. I disable it now by pressing 1, and now it tells me buzzer disabled, reboot to re-enable. It tells me the buzzer is now disabled until I reboot the device. So you cannot permanently switch off the buzzer, only for one session. The session in your theater scene that should be really quiet, for example. Okay, now say I set this up and I make here the beep sound. I still hear this because I have the script beep on, and now I turn down the script beep and now we don't hear it anymore at all. Well, now let's switch it off and on, and we will see that the buzzer comes back because it's only off in that session. So I switch it on again, and the buzzer will complain, and if I bring back the script beep, the speaker will complain as well. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please check out our website pyrodigital.com also for more videos. See you the next time. Bye.